I just wanted to show you another video in this series of composite time signatures. There is an amazing world out there of what you can do with the time signatures. Let's go cancel and click the measure that you want to edit. Make sure the time signature button is selected in the main tool palette. And let's do this. Right next to composite, here's the one composite one that we have. But then there are more options. Click more options. And then click composite. 3/8. Let's change 3/8 to 3/4. You can change the beat duration. You can have different beat durations on the bottom numbers. 3/4 plus 2/8, for example, plus 5/8. What if we were to do that? Then you would have all of these time signatures. Click OK, click OK. You have all of these time signatures in that option. And usually either it'll show it or it won't show it. And sometimes it won't do it all the time. But then if we wanted to, we can do a composite 3/2 and 5/8, or 3/2 and 2/8, or 3/8 and 2/8 rather. And we could use a different time signature for display. So we can actually use this. The more options. And then 3 plus 2. What happens if we do this? You can have it display the different time signatures, or go ahead and go 2/8. You can have it displayed in groups of 2 as well. So those are just a few of the options that you have. There are indeed more, but when I do a composite, if I were to do a composite, I would stick with this one, and I would just use the same time signature and click OK. That way I can see the divisions of parts of the measures. And that's actually what those composite time signatures help you to do. All right. If you have any questions, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.